Okay, here is my advanced chemistry portfolio, my course project 4. I'm actually already done this once and I want to do it again because it won't let me post my video. It says it's too long. So I want to do it a little quicker. Sorry. So of course that's the assignment. So here's my table of contents. My first tab is discussions. So I have week 2, lab stats and Westgard review. So I pulled my discussion. Week 3 is renal function. I actually went through and got literally everybody's because I won't flip through every page, but I got everybody's because it is such an important chapter. So I just wanted to make sure I had all the information in one place to study. Week 6 was the ABG. I'll be honest, I just chose the ones that had a lot of information. A lot of people were just like, oh, I don't know anything about it, because I really don't myself. So, my discussion is not even really helpful. So I chose, a few discussions that I found very helpful. Okay, so then here is the review discussion. So I picked mine, and then I liked Christina first, so I thought hers was very informative. Week 7 discussion, cardiac markers. Katie Boone's, whose posts are always awesome. I picked hers with mine. Case study, I didn't pick everybody else's. I just, I don't focus on case studies, so I just put mine. Week 10 discussion, I really like, I just think this is gorgeous, and it's very, very helpful. So I hate that it's black and white because I love it in color. But week 12, for bilirubin, once again, I went through and just got everybody's information that they had on there because it was so fabulous. I really thought it was very informative, and I, wanted all of it compiled. So I literally have all of it. I really thought the bilirubin metabolism PowerPoint this gentleman did was fantastic. So I have it as well. All right. So, seriously, just every little bit that was there. I really like this one, too. I thought it was fabulous. Katie Boone does great work. Then week 13 is the discussion about the therapeutic drug. Once again, I actually grabbed, if there was a different one than lithium, I grabbed. I just thought, I did lithium, so I have mine, and then I grabbed all of them. All right. Tab 2 is the charts and aids from assignments and discussions. So, of course, I got my math because I think that's important to study. And then here's my little drawing, like everybody else's, but this is mine. And I really like this drawing. I thought it was great. Here's my trace elements, PowerPoint. So that's PowerPoint I did. Cardiac testing enzymes. Here's the group PowerPoint. So it's the whole PowerPoint that everybody put. Only thing I couldn't get is, of course, there's one slide that's missing. Well, 2 slides technically, but I'm going to keep a watch on that one slide that one girl's got assigned, and I'll add it to it when she gets it done. Diagnosing of endocrine disorder. So there's the question, and there's my explanation. Oh my gosh. And then I did my case study. So I have my overdose case study, then my toxic substance case study, and then the drugs of abuse case study. And Leah Den, she also posted hers, so I have hers as well. All right, so tab 3 is my lab statistics and QC. So literally all this is the Westgard QC and the whole PowerPoint of quality control and statistics. And then I put a little discussion at the back, one of the other charts. I liked it. I thought it was nice and neat, so it's back there too. So to just square us all together. My final is the projects. So I have the course 1 project. So, and I did a PowerPoint. So here's my PowerPoint. Here's course 2, of course, dueling doctors. And then, of course, here's my letter. So there's all of that. And then here's course project 3. I have a gland. It's problem. And I did a PowerPoint, so here's my PowerPoint in here. So there is that. And then my final is the KWL chart. So what I know is I know most of the Westgard rules. I do work chemistry now, but I will say I forgot about that rule. It's, it's been a long time since I've worked in chemistry, so that was a good refresher. Cardiac markers were pretty fresh in my mind, so I knew that. What I learned more about the thyroid. It's kind of something that I just kind of forgot about. It was a good refresher. What I want to know, it's not that I don't know these things. It is that I feel like I want to spend more time on it before the final. So there are therapeutic drug monitoring. I know a lot about it, but not near enough. This has been the last section, and I will say that I'm writing a big research paper. I have all these other classes, so I haven't got to dedicate the time that I want to it. So I'm going to work on it a few more weeks. The ABG, I'm also going to review that really hard because that I'm still not 100% on. And then Billy Rubin, it's just such a large chapter. So that is my project, and I apologize that it feels rushed. My last one was like 12 minutes, and it wouldn't let me send it to you. So this is my project in less than 6 minutes. Hopefully this is sufficient. Let me know if it is not, and I will repost something. I think I said, or maybe I didn't. I tried to make this online in a web page, and I have learned I don't know how to do that, and it was very complicated and very frustrating. And after about 2 hours, I'm like, forget it, because in reality I'm not going to do it. I literally was just doing it to turn it into you, and I would never have looked at it again because I like hard copies. I 100% want a hard copy of everything, so that's why I decided to do a hard copy. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you very much. It's been a great semester.